I just wanted to record a quick video to talk about this substantial book, which I've not read every single line of every single page, but I've pretty much read most of it, and it is absolutely brilliant for if you want to learn about Zapier. Now, I'm not a new Zapier user. I've been using it for a couple of years, but if you were brand new, it takes you through every single step of the signing up process, explaining the different price plans from the free one to the paid ones. And I found that really interesting because I wasn't aware of the differences between the different plans, and I'm actually going to upgrade my plan as a result because some of the features will be really useful for me. So as I say, although I have been using Zapier, with software, you kind of learn just what you need to do the next thing. You don't necessarily do a course or learn about it, which you probably should because you get so much more out of it. Reading this has made me get so much more out of Zapier. I've learned things about managing my Zaps, using folders, all sorts of different things which I didn't realise. So I would say, even if you do already use Zapier, you will get tons out of this book. If you don't, then it is an absolutely perfect way to learn step by step about automation, about how to get your processes organized first before you even start about thinking about automating them. And then when you do, there are so many examples and step-by-step instructions. It is really good, and it's going to sit on my desk, and I'm going to use it and dip in and out of it. I made notes as I was reading it. I made notes so that I wouldn't forget the things that I learned. I would highly recommend it. Buy it.